So this is the Xhale Club Master Suite. This room has 2 full bathrooms. This is the first one, rain shower head, toilet area. The amenities provided are shampoo, conditioner, body wash, body lotion. There's also hand sanitizer. With the Xhale Club, you have an upgraded mini bar and snacks provided. You can see those. There's also an espresso machine and your coffee's in there. Very big living room and table. There is a closet area here. You will have no lack of storage booking this room. This couch is large enough to have someone sleep on there. This room will hold 3 adults. The doors can close off to the master bedroom. Walking into the master, very good size room. You have his and hers closets, safe, towels, robes, and same on the other side. Lots of storage space. A great soaking tub. Same thing, rain shower head, toilet area. This bathroom you have double sinks. And you can close the doors to the bathroom in this room. A lot of the other bathrooms here are an open concept. And how I mentioned, you can close off the door. We'll go out this side, open it up into the living room. And one of the best selling features of this room is going to be your private plunge pool. And it's not a jacuzzi, it doesn't have jets, but you can still have a great view while sitting in your plunge pool. There are 5 of these rooms on the property, and they are huge and well worth it in my opinion.